Hello Lobos and Canvas learners. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the new report feature that is available under new analytics in your Canvas courses. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new analytics over here on the right hand side. If you have it visible, it may also be on your left hand side menu, but for everybody it is available on the right hand side right here under new analytics. So I'm going to click right there and that's going to load. And it's going to give me an overview, but what I want to focus on right now is I want to go to reports. So now you can see here this is brand new and I have these new additional features. I can run a missing assignments report, a late assignments report, excused, class roster, and class activity. I'm going to show you the class activity report because I think this is the one that you might find most helpful when you're trying to double check attendance for attendance purposes. So I'm going to click on Run Report, and it's going to show me everything. So what I want to do is I want to add a filter. I can then filter by date. So I can come right here, and let's say I want to see what happened on the 9th. And then I can see that it's already filtered that down, but I can even be more granular, and I can say I want to see by section or by student name. This would then let me run a report for a specific student on this date so that I could see all of that student's interactions on September 9th. When I'm ready, I would then click Run Report, and it's going to download down here as a CSV file. And then I can see all the things that the student accessed on this particular date. It's loading, sorry. Alright, so here it is. So I can see that this on September 9th, because that's the day I ran it, so September 9th. And then I can see that this student viewed my course and that they viewed course home and course grades. So depending on if I consider that enough to be considered for participation, I could go back in and mark this student present on September 9th if that was something I needed to do. So just wanted to show you how that report, this reports feature, might be helpful for you if you're looking for specific course activity for students. If you have any questions about how to run or access this report, please reach out to me.